everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. I'm going to describe abstract nouns also. Before starting it, let's revise what are nouns and what are singular and plural nouns.
I'm going to deal with singular and plural noun. Before understanding singular and plural noun, it's important to understand what is noun. So a noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Here we have some examples: shoe, leaf, ball, story, car, clock and brush. All of these are singular noun. Singular means here single, okay? It means we are talking about one thing. So whenever we are talking about one thing, that is singular noun. Nouns can be more than one. Here we have some examples like monkeys, brushes, doors, cups, balloons. These all are plural noun.
Now it's time to understand what are countable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are called count or countable nouns. All of these have plural forms. It means ऐसे nouns जो count किए जा सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, those nouns you can call as countable noun. One more thing you have to remember that these nouns you can change their plural forms. Okay, so like here we have some examples: desk, desks, girl, girls, paper, papers, cake, cakes. Yes, so all these nouns have plural forms. Let's have some more examples. You can see the chart: hamburger, candies, pancakes, cup, french fries, clothes, box, grapes, apple, vegetables, coins and peas. When you look these examples carefully, you can have easily idea that how you will count these. Okay, like we are talking about candies, you can count 1 candy, 5 candy, 6 candy. You can count your cups. Yes, you can count clothes, you can count grapes, you can count coins, and all these are countable nouns. Now it's time to understand what are uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called non-count or uncountable nouns. They do not have plural forms. So here you have to remember that these are nouns which are not having their plural forms. We have some examples here like fire, air, milk, water, salt, sugar, sand. So all these nouns are uncountable. You cannot count it. हम इसे count नहीं कर सकते. You can count milk or sugar? No, you cannot. So all these are uncountable nouns. In the same way, you can't say milks, waters, sugars, okay? These are incorrect words. Uncountable nouns are not measured in numbers 1, 2, 3, etc., but in terms of quantity. So you cannot count it 1, 2, 3, you just measure the quantity. Quantity means मात्रा. हम इसकी मात्रा को नाप सकते हैं. जैसे we have two examples here. A liter of milk, 10 grams of salt. So here liter and grams gives you the quantity of these nouns. Let's have some more examples. Here you can see the chart: cheese, bread, jam, oil, milk, sugar, honey, tea, flour, wood, music and land. When you look these examples carefully, you can easily say that you cannot count it. You can say a bottle of jam, but you cannot count jam. You can say a packet of milk or a bottle of milk, but you cannot count milk. Let's understand abstract nouns. Words like happiness, kindness, love, etc., which cannot be seen, touched, or felt, are called abstract nouns. So ऐसे nouns जिन्हें हम टच नहीं कर सकते, जिन्हें हम देख नहीं सकते और महसूस नहीं कर सकते, ऐसे nouns जो होते हैं वो abstract nouns कहलाते हैं. जैसे कि happiness, kindness and love. These you cannot touch. Yes, these are also considered uncountable nouns because these are not having any plural forms. Let's see some examples like love, bravery, friendship, health, happiness, anger, excitement, talent, childhood, knowledge. When you look these examples carefully, you can easily say these nouns are not countable and these are not uncountable. So these are abstract nouns. Because you cannot touch love, you cannot see bravery, you cannot touch knowledge. So all these are abstract nouns. Now we are going to do a small quiz to understand it better. Let's do that. For this quiz, we are going to do a small practice. Very first, I am going to show you one picture, and then after I will ask which type of noun it is. It is countable or uncountable or abstract, and I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay? In between these 5 seconds, you have to choose the correct answer, and then after I will share the correct answer of the question. Okay? So let's get started. Here is your first picture. Now I'm going to give you time. Let's think your answer. Yes, now it's time to show you answer. It's countable noun. We can count flowers now, so that's why it is countable noun. Now next, what is it? It is honey. Okay. Now your time starts. Think properly which type of noun it is. Yes, it is uncountable noun because you cannot count honey. Yes. Now next, it is tea, or you can say coffee. Here's the time starts. Think it, which type of noun it is. Yes, it is uncountable noun because you can count cups. You cannot count tea or coffee. Now I'm going to share the next one. Be careful about it. Which type of noun it is? Happiness. Your time starts now. Yes, it is abstract noun because we cannot count it. We can't see it and we can't touch it. So that's why it is abstract noun. Now the next one, the last one. Look at the picture. These are books, or you can say notebooks. Think about it. Your time starts now. Yes, it's very easy. These are countable noun. So I think this quiz helps you a lot to understand the concept very well. If you have any type of query, if you want to ask me any question, you can ask me in comment section. Okay? So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Keep smiling, keep learning.